All right, Dan.
Yeah.
I think it's time to share with the world some very specific examples of things that you have done as dad/husband that only lawyer dads/husbands would do. For example,
I don't want this one.
Our oldest child lost a tooth and swallowed it. So what did you make him do in order to get his tooth fairy money?
Did he do it or did I do it?
No, you wrote it.
Yeah.
And he had to sign it. What did you do?
I drafted like an affidavit that he could give to the tooth fairy.
In full legalese.
Yeah. That attested to the fact that he had in fact lost his tooth. And even though we couldn't put it under his pillow, he still deserved his
Dollar. Yeah. I don't know anyone else who has done that. Let's also talk about what you did the first time we bought a house with all of the paperwork that they give you to sign.
I feel bad for everybody that had to sit at that table now. I read all of it, word for word.
It was exhausting.
In real time. There's so much paperwork when you buy a house, but I was so scared. When you do law school, it's just, here's everything that's ever gone wrong in the law. It's everything that went sideways. And so I did like a real estate transactions class and learned 6,000 ways that people can get hurt buying a house. And they also teach you in contracts class, like never sign a contract unless you've read every single word of it. And then you go to Massage Envy, back when that was a thing, to try and buy some massages for your fiance, and sit in their lobby for 20 minutes reading their ridiculous release, and everyone looks at you like you're nuts.
Because in realistic terms, you were nuts.
Yeah, I don't do that so much anymore.
Okay, how come we can't own a trampoline?
It's a death trap. I had one when I was young. I'm pretty sure I almost broke my neck 3 times.
But we can't have one because what might happen?
Some other kid might get hurt on it.
And?
Then we get sued.
Okay, right. All right, last example. How come I hate watching courtroom shows and movies with you?
Because I have to interrupt all the time and critique what the lawyers are doing, or if it's fictional, I have to say how that's not real, that's not how that works.
Your biggest complaint is when they make an objection and they don't what?
They never state their objection. It's so common in TV to just say objection, and then everybody just, they can read each other's minds. They know what the objection is. It gets ruled on and they move past it. That's not how you make a record. You have to state your objection, and then the other side can even respond to it and say why that objection doesn't apply. And then the judge rules on it.
Yes, and despite the fact that I love true crime and legal dramas, I do not enjoy watching them with you.
We did, without naming names, we did get to see some lawyers that we know in our hometown on Court TV, which was fun.
Yeah, that was cool. Okay, so there's just a little window into what it's like to be married to a lawyer.